Arinta ba?
Add new project, then add one photo, then adjust it to 3.6 seconds duration. Now add white from stock videos, then adjust is to 0.2 second duration. Add transition mix, then screen record it from the start. Go back, then add new project, add the screen record, then adjust it to 4.5 seconds. Freeze the end of the video, then adjust it to 0.6 second. Now add overlay, same photo on the screen record video. Remove its background, then adjust its duration to 0.6 second. Then add the keyframes at the end and on the start of the clip. Hide the photo when the first keyframe is color red. Screenshot it, then crop it to 9:16 like this. Go back to Capcut, then add the photo we cropped. Adjust it to 7s, copy it 3 times, and here's the duration list. Click the first screenshot clip, then add animation in, swing right, then add shake 2 in the following clips. Click the second to the last clip, then edit it to mirror. Now add the audio we'll use. You can download it from Miss Hort's videos. Now, go to another editing app, then add the screenshot earlier. Screenshot it, then add it on Capcut. Zoom it to fit it to our format, then adjust it to 0.7 second duration. Copy it 3 times, here's the duration list. Click the next clip, then add animation, in, rock vertically, then add shake to on the following clips. Click the second to the last clip, then edit it to mirror. Do this on your phone, then take a screenshot and add it to Capcut. Zoom and adjust it, then adjust the duration to 6s. Copy it 4 times, then adjust the duration to this list. Add keyframe on the original copy, then do this on the first keyframe. Click the second clip of this screenshot, then add animation, in, rock vertically, then add shake to on the following clips. Mirror the second to the last clip. Go to Messenger and search yourself. Send the last screenshot take earlier. After that, take a screenshot, then add it to our project. Adjust and zoom it, then adjust it to 0.7s, then copy it 4 times. Adjust and zoom it, then adjust it to 0.7s, then copy it 4 times. Click first clip, then add to keyframes, then do this again. Click the second clip, then add animation, in, rock vertically, then add shake to on the following clips. Click the second to the last clip, then edit it to mirror. Start here, add overlay plain white from stock videos. Copy it, then put it on every clip, except to the clips that have keyframe. I put the overlay on every clips, so I need to delete overlay on the clips that have keyframe like this. We're done. Thank you guys for watching.
I'm on my way.